White oil, also known as liquid paraffin or mineral oil, is a highly refined, colorless, odorless, and chemically stable petroleum-derived oil widely used across pharmaceutical, cosmetic, food processing, and industrial applications. Produced through advanced refining processes to remove impurities, aromatic compounds, and unwanted contaminants, white oil is prized for its exceptional purity, excellent lubricating properties, and outstanding chemical stability. In the pharmaceutical industry, it is commonly used as an ingredient in ointments, creams, lotions, laxative formulations, and other medicinal products, where high purity and safety are essential. The cosmetics and personal care industry relies on white oil in products such as baby oils, moisturizers, massage oils, hair care products, lip care formulations, and skincare creams, where it provides smooth application, helps reduce moisture loss, and leaves the skin feeling soft and protected. In food processing, approved grades of white oil serve as lubricants for food manufacturing equipment and as processing aids where compliance with food safety standards is required. Industrially, white oil is widely used as a lubricant, release agent, plasticizer, anti-rust coating, dust suppressant, and processing oil in the manufacture of plastics, rubber, textiles, adhesives, and packaging materials. It also plays a significant role in agricultural formulations, chemical manufacturing, and precision engineering applications, where clean, non-staining lubrication is needed. Thanks to its low volatility, resistance to oxidation, excellent stability, and compatibility with a wide range of materials, white oil delivers reliable performance across demanding environments. Its versatility, purity, and dependable protective qualities continue to make white oil an essential product for manufacturers seeking consistent quality, enhanced equipment performance, and high-quality finished products across multiple industries.